Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope if you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below. I hope you guys are all doing really well. Today I'm doing a full face of just Australis products, so I'm going to be testing out new ones that I've never used before, and also just using them on my whole face. Everything will be Australis brand, so it's kind of like a one brand video, but yeah, I'm testing out then some of their products that I've never used before, so I thought this would be a fun video to do for you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below, almost at 400 subscribers. And also follow my Instagram account, it's called Hope Gloria Makeup, so if you want to check that out, that'd be awesome. So my mum kindly went out and bought me some makeup this morning for this video, but I've got the Australis Stay Put Long Wear Foundation 16 hours. It's kind of very small, I don't know, I've heard lots of stuff about it, but also I've got the pressed powder that I've heard a lot of good stuff about. Mostly going to do my brows, so I have the Australis AC on Tour Contouring a Highlight Kit Meeting Complexion, but I'm going to try and fill in my brows with this darker shade here. I don't fill in my brows that much, obviously, because they're honestly already so dark. Yeah, that's what they look like. I'm just going to brush these out because I applied a lot of product here, but if you accidentally like put too much at the start, then you can just push it out with this. That's what I always do. Right, so I've just primed my eyes, ready for some eyeshadow. But the thing is, I don't think Australis has any eyeshadow, so I'm just going to go in with the Australis AC on Tour kit, so try and do some eyeshadow. But the thing is, it's very ashy and it sticks and it's not very good with blending with some of them, especially like with the darker shades, so I don't really know what I'm going to do there. But for my transition shade, I think I'm just going to go in with that and see how it goes. And I'm just going to blend that in, so like wipe motions. So just take a bit and start at my outer corner and just kind of blend it upwards, not downwards, just up. Into my crease. We might be going for a sunset vibe, guys, today. Yeah. I'm thinking about like doing makeup and all that with my channel and that, and trying to think about the content that I want to do on here. Because lately I've just been like, oh, do I want to do singing or do I want to do makeup on here? But I've talked a lot about it on my Instagram. You guys probably might see that, but yeah, I've been saying, well, what do you guys want to see? Most of you guys, I did a poll on Instagram yesterday and most of you guys said that you wanted makeup / beauty videos, so I think that's what I'm going to stick to. Although I do love doing singing and videos, but I think it would be better if I tried just to kind of base it on one thing and just stick with one. But yeah, I might post singing videos sometimes, but we'll just see how it goes. That one. And I'm just going to put it in the same bit, just a little bit lower, so kind of deepen up the crease with this colour here. And I'm going to kind of do a, I don't know, like a kind of sunset ombre thing. So I'm going to start by putting that darker shade just up into my outer corner, kind of doing a V, so going up in this direction, like that, and slowly bring it in here on half my lid. So that dark shade wasn't really working, so I'm going to try the really dark shade. It might turn out good, it might not, but I'm going to taking the dome shaped one and I'm going to put this in the outer corner doing a V shape. Now that they look really gross and horrible, I don't think my impressions on this palette is that I just don't think that it has a lot of product and it comes off with a lot of product, but it's not pigmented and it doesn't stay put. And it's not very matte, it just kind of like brushes off and it's very dusty and all that stuff, so it just kind of goes away. But not bad, I don't think it looks that bad, I just think that you need to build it up a lot. Okay, so now that I'm finished with my eyes, I'm going to move on to foundation. So we're going to be testing out the Australis Stay Put Long Wear Foundation 16 hours. Okay, so my first thoughts on this is that it's cute. It's like nice packaging. I'm going to try this out. I've got my buffing brush here that I always use. I don't use beauty blenders only because I feel like it just soaks up all the product And I want to see how much. This is natural beige. Okay, so I've got a little bit on there. Oh, it smells strong. I feel like it's a totally different colour on camera. Alright, so I don't know what to feel about the foundation. I feel like if I put over some foundation or something, it's going to look better. But it looks so much different on the camera, so I'm like, oh, my brows are disgusting. But okay, so now I'm going to test out the Australis pressed powder, my MAC powder brush. Let's see how this goes on. Oh yeah, I can see it. Yeah, this is a really good powder. I would definitely recommend buying this. This is good. I'm going to be using the Australis On Tour thing again, and it has all the contouring options on there as well. I've had this one for a bit now. I know that it is very ashy, so I don't like to put on heaps, but I'm going to use these darker two shades here, so those two. Oh, this works super well. But look.
It looks better when you got the light on. When I look at you face to face, yeah, you've got too much there.
I put too much. Oh, I've got to blend that. I'm just going to bronze it up a bit with that colour there. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with mascara. So I'm going to be taking the Australis Fierce Eyes Volumizing Mascara. And I'm just going to go in with this, but I'm going to curl my eyelashes first. Okay, there we have it. That's the finished look. This is what it turned out with. I'm pretty impressed on the whole of all of them. They all seem to work really well. I wouldn't say that they're my favourite products. I'm probably not going to use the Australis foundation again, but I definitely will be using the powder because it's amazing. There's so much coverage on that. But yeah, the only downfall is because I don't like the smell, and I feel like it hasn't got a lot of coverage. It's just kind of very wet product, and it's oily, and there's not a lot of coverage in it. But yeah, if you don't have oily skin, it'll probably look really amazing on you, but yeah, it just doesn't work for me. But also, yeah, the mascara is good, powder, and also the contouring kit was good as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below. Yeah.